Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, body down to the ground. Take what you take and go do what you do. You know what I mean? So if it's first time watching this channel, subscribe. Yeah man, as we go along, body down to the ground.
Come in, babes, the door pull.
See you if you're doing, man, I'm coming.
No, babes, mama say I come over here.
Oh.
You still see up
I'm going to chill now, because you know, nobody knows the jammy here. And then I'll close up before they come back. So man, you wake me up after 12.
So, babes, I'm glad you come look for me still, you know. Anyways, I'm not going to my bed yet. Babes, you know, so I'm not sleep. Late, you know.
Oh, just wake me up early, man. Then time there so I can go over, yeah?
Me I go pass me phone, I want to move me and go and watch, you know.
Take a coffee?
Yeah.
Just wake me up. Then time there. Go and get some rest.
You know, so I'm not going to my bed till about like 4 o'clock, so I'm wake you up. Babes, get up at almost 7 o'clock, get up. Come, get up, daddy soon come over. See? Almost 7 o'clock, I don't know how daddy not come over yet.
Hey boy, I'm gonna tell you if you don't come back over here. Where I do over here? Yo! Why you gonna tell you if you don't come back over the yard? Stop yelling, man. I'm gonna tell you something I want about that boy there fire.
I don't mean, Daddy, I come over.
You look like you want to laugh or something. You think I joke me and make? Me don't want him in my yard, nah, in my house. And it look like a fear horse this. A fear horse this. Yo, listen me now. You say if you go get me on the side of where I get me on, you and him have to go left. You hear me tell you? Me don't want him in my yard. So, you feel like a fool in my yard, this a fear and female. Me don't want him in my yard.
But I don't me call him.
Me don't want him in here.
Me don't want him on. That can't take him on. Go down.
So, next week Thursday I come, and my daughter's birthday. Right? You know, man, she too old and now if you do so much birthday party, so I don't think I do a birthday party. But I don't know
Where I do it?
where I do it.
So you have to tell me, say, made if it almost, just call it 3 years, because I 2.5 years now. And you never yet bring me home for me to doctor or no. Right now she don't even know say me I in things. Know say me exist.
It's a tricky situation. Very, very tricky. Because you know, our mother, they are foreign, right? And I do the filing. You know what I mean? So that's the problem, and also she go say me a cheat on her mother and the whole 9 yards. So that's the whole problem. But the thing says the time is right now. I'll be honest to you. And then I get a vision, and the vision say me just come clean, right? So what me I say now is she left me, woman they are fine. That's why I made it. But she, for my daughter, don't know. But the problem is, Brittany is not my daughter. And she's not the woman of foreign, my ex daughter neither. What happened back in the past, well, about years ago, there was a lady that have 2 daughters and she couldn't raise them. She didn't have no money. So she sell away the one with them say right then. So the blacker one, them sell the blacker one can match for me and for my woman complexion.
Your ex, not your woman.
Ex, yeah, my ex, I same thing, yeah. So when she go a foreigner now, she do want me give back Britney to the parents them, and then me and her she just could just file for me and me and her go over there. But then now it go hard for them really file for one pitney where I know your blood. You know what I mean? So take that now, me build back and make she go on. She go over there, she married and change her life. But me stuck here and just go on, do the work, and cause me done adapt Britney already. And me and her responsibility. You know what I mean? So, but me not tell Britney yet. So I need to tell her, like when she turned 18 and now, I tell her the truth and make she understand. You see, after that now, so like I never bring you to her and at all now. I think mother use one stone and kill bird. So couple days from now, me figure she idea them. Me go over there, you come and introduce it to her, and then me will tell her the truth of what really gone. After you leave, and she will have questions. Say, Daddy, if you want to mommy, oh, you have new girl, and then me broke it down to her and make she understand what really are going. Because she leave for better opportunity, but me couldn't leave Britney here in Jamaica for suffer. Me have to ensure that she done her school and she have a good education. So now she had turned 18 now, she can go up on her own. If me choose to go in when I will, me can go. Because my foot them not tie up. And me feel say is that blasted woman couldn't get pregnant.
Yeah, I have to see because see me here so 3 months pregnant, you know. And you have to go buy pick me. I know she run, call this say run, she run because she didn't want you abandon her here and you come over there. Who if you don't live and go, where Britney would not go show right now?
Yeah, so me stay to my apartment and interested thing about
A good thing, a good something you do. Me rate you for that part there. So me know you're a good somebody, you know.
So like how a good idea. For me tell her though the truth. Because I do the best I can do. And now she reach the age and now part she actually can push out. So it's a good vibration, man. You know. I go drop your yard no car. You know, knowing that this is summer, I look like go well after me and sweat. Actually, we just don't do something still, but anyway, I drop you up your yard, and then when Britney asleep, we drive come up off your yard, me asleep tonight, right? Okay. So me just go make she drop asleep, and she, because me just try to make she have a good mind, for say then her mother there and everything good. But me by catch 18-year-old, me go ensure so she knows say. Then her mother not there again, that's my ex and everything. I me tell her the whole situation where she did want me do. Right?
Yeah,
because she not here for now every time me have to tell her a story say we part share work, no phone, no the reception not there. And this I never tell her and all that I don't know how much here now. She must have suspect something, but anyway, that.
Yeah, but you do that. Come on meet your daughter.
And I really my daughter still, but that's
well that you raised her so it's still your daughter.
Yeah. You know what I said. Alright?
Yeah. No, I call daddy, man. Daddy.
Hello, yeah, what going?
How's part today? Come to see us if you're not coming in your yard.
Yeah, that man there now.
Alright.
We're so fair.
Yo, the man they can't play them in there, you know? I didn't gamble to all that money now, where more have. So, don't they gamble, because if gambling is good. Gambling is winning and losing all the time. You're lucky to win. So, you can stay there.
Britney.
Yeah.
Go on.
Go pool.
Alright. Where do you live?
No?
Alright, finally. Me here for your mother today, but before she did, I saw the phone she borrow. So she want to talk to you about when she have the time, right?
Alright.
Alright, so what really I go on with you now? You're good though, cause you don't know.
Yeah, me good.
You're not happy and next week Thursday at 18, you know.
That does it.
Yeah man, you get bigger now.
So I get for my birthday.
Well, never can tell, I was surprised you.
Well, me don't want no surprise for you, because your surprise them is not surprise.
Stop overestimate me or underestimate me. I've tried a lot of things in life and it don't work out, but one idea, may I buy the lotto. If you win the lotto before your birthday, you get one Benz to drive. Yeah man, so don't worry about that. But anyway, go on in bed, go sleep. Tomorrow another day, give thanks. You get older now. You know what I mean? That's something we talk to you about, but
So wait there, me ask you a question. You can't get up and play them every day and feel like say you can win lotto. I once in a blue moon and buy a cash pot. Right?
yes. But the difference with cash pot, a one ticket, and a cash pot, you know, is lotto. Lotto, I say, cash pot, you can't win no money. I forget how you see money you spend back and you go lose. But that was 1-6 number. Me I wait on a vision there. Bam! Millions. We live good after that. Nobody know want to live poor, no. We never want to live poor. But we don't live poor, we not live like the world. Look, the room we in and the house we have. We're good. We're in a middle class and at the work we put in. Your mother sends some money now and then. We all live good. But as far as I know what we go live when I idea them. I don't really touch iron out some things. Alright?
I want to idea then.
Get a good night rest. Tomorrow,
It's another idea, yeah, go on.
be careful when you play too dominant too.
You know what play no damn you take me for? Who that?
I mean your father.
Come in. Who that theater only person?
We have somebody who want to introduce you to. Yeah. You see, I'm not a man with a lot of labels, but this is my special friend. Me and her been seeing each other for over 2.5 years now. And she always love you to talk about you and things and say she want to meet you.
So my mommy.
But I mean, we are going to talk about that afterwards. But just want to meet her.
So what you say your mommy that so wait there when you
No, alright. Yes. What I do, this one, not that, right?
Alright. My mommy is very what did I try to
Knock
say?
on the door. No, must say something to you now. I never get the chance to really tell you what really happened though, right? Alright, so once upon a time,
Here we go again.
a lady that was poor have 2 daughters, one black one and one brown one, right? And them they are go through rough times, and I wasn't going through rough times, but my little Susie, that I your mother, we think is a mother then.
What do you mean? Me not understand.
She never gave birth to you. She raised you as her own, and we raise you as our own.
So you're not my real
But
father?
no, what happened when you're born, your real parents them were poor. They have nothing at all, so them decide to them have to sell around to make their life better. You know what I mean? So we never have we couldn't, we had tried to get her pregnant, she couldn't get pregnant, and we didn't really want a child. So we jumped at the offer, and she got foreign and over, because she got foreign left way. She didn't want me carry you back to who me buy you from, and we start anew. But me tell her, I say, listen, me not doing that because you are my daughter in a real life, though me no work and get you, but me, you know, so we grow you up like my daughter. So we just want to know say you reach age up and you can stand up your own feet them and you can make your own decision them. So I'm gonna give you a portion of money, you know, because I'm gonna leave the island. So I'm gonna give you a portion of money so you can do anything you want to do with it. You know what I mean? So you'll never be broke. Because I have left Jamaica, because Jamaica now run good. I want to go one place where I can work and make some real money. So long as me over there at work, you go get money. Right? But I will tell you when I'm gonna leave. I'm not jump and leave now. But I'm just put up in a yard to make you know say. But I don't regret raising you. And you never could tell who would have buy you. You understand? You could have end up on the back road if somebody is by your way. You know? So.
What you trying to say? Me, I don't want a real daughter.
No, not by blood, but real. As in, love you as daughter.
So how I know you just tell me that? Now all along me day here, nobody no say nothing to me.
We never think it was important to say to you because...
It's not important to you, but it's important to me. Because I'm supposed to know my real parents them. So me every time I say whole time they here, so me I live in a lie. Right now I don't know what to say. So by the way, which part my real parents they in them? I want to know which part they in there because I don't know. I'm confused.
Alright, so it's a long time. So I don't know if they move to a part they live there now. But one of them, the mother would name Joy. And your father named Jutta. I don't know where they moved to, but they not left Jamaica though. Them they somewhere here. But we always try to see them if we make them can see you, see if them want tell you the truth and make you know your next, your sister, the browner one. Because them do want to keep the browner one because we don't know why. If them prejudice, they can always say, you eat two of them. I say, no, they not give you the brown one. So. We don't give you themselves you instead. So, but anyway, we love you because you're black and we're black. You fit perfect with we and your mother. So you know, when I'm thinking me as try to teach you though, you have to be grateful because we could have not adapt you and you would have out there with the wolves and the dogs them. You know what I mean? But we build a home for you, make you have a room for yourself, give you freedom. Never treat you no less than nobody, you know, we make everybody normal. So sorry, so we couldn't give you everything that you.
So wait there, just because me black, they give me. So my parents they black or they brown. More want to know.
Your father and you have the same complexion, but your mother brown, right? So one want to take off for your mother, the next one take off for your father. You take off for your father. So that was one I think, and we don't regret. We're gonna regret you, but your mother, we should have be here with you to see you. Because we have a pledge, and we said we're gonna raise you as a one. But she's get a different opportunity, so she left me. She left you, and she gone. You know, so she not come back or nothing. And me as a try to make you not think no we're different, so make you look like me and I'm still there, but me and her not there, me and her not talk not at all. That's why I have the lady way you see. But I never want you worry about that and I put up your head when you do your CXC and your studies and them something there. So now that them see out of the way, you're 18, you're big somebody now, you can make your own decision, have your own life. You know what I mean? You get a good start. Alright, so she understand because you know, but she really like you. Can she see you on the place? So she don't want to meet you, but no one want good time.
We can't process all this.
Yeah, no one want good time. So next time you and I will talk. Alright? So have a good night though. And remember, anything you want financially, may your father send you about that. Alright?
Alright. My parents don't want me. So I'll just take up the garbage. Who is that? Hello? Oh, come in. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine. I'm come to talk to you about something. We can have a seat? Yeah, good. Alright, well, a long time I make the tell you the truth. A long time. I always just see you and your father. I always just say, hey daughter, but me never know you in person. If you understand what I mean. So I would love to get to know you, and if we can even go sometime, because maybe in a long run, if we see each other again, you can see like a baby brother or baby sister, or you know what I mean. So more you tell me more about you. Well, to tell you the truth, I want to tell you more about me. Well, name is Brittany, which I already know, you know, my age and stuff. But what I really need is happiness. It's not like I'm not grateful for everything what my father do for me and my mother run off, so-called say. What's my mother? We run off, say. That's that foolishness. What they do for me. I'm grateful for what they do for me, right? But to tell the truth, I need my real parents them. Because I can't live like this knowing I don't know my parents them and stuff. Hopefully one day I can meet them if they remember me. Which my father say, he's not sure which part they live. So maybe I can figure out that for myself or me and him. Well, I'm sorry for you to see your mother run off still, you know. I kind of feel away when she do that. And then the fact is, she didn't want you why your father to abandon you out here. And he decided not to. So there you go. So indeed a good thing for you can could have take the opportunity and run again. If you're alone down here in a poverty and misery. But if I want to know your real parents, it's not hard to find them. All I have to do is just ask the father the community where they used to live in and walk and ask people and they will tell you. Well, I think that I have to do, yes. I'm going to try though and see if I can get to them. Because I really need to know my parents. They get to my brain right now. It makes sense if you just tell me from a much smaller, but I say yes. Knowing I grow up, say, I live with them, I'm married parents, but if you tell me out of the blues, no. I'm a big. No, but the thing is, probably if you didn't tell if you're smaller, you would have run off gone. And that you would want, no, you were a child, you're not going to know where you're going to do back then. So until you went there, you more respond when you're bigger then. Yeah. When you're bigger, so you can find like understanding. Understand? So you would have better until when you're 18 more than until when you're 5 or when you're 6. When you're 5 or 6, you would have probably going to do something where you would have regret. If you understand what I mean. So you have to look on it from the two sides, say, in kind of right and in a right. You have to just balance, you understand me? But, like I'm getting to know, you know, me must hang out sometime, although I'm not sure maybe the night. Walking up and doing things and so on. Come for them kind of get swell up on me and no one thing. But anyway, I have to go over now, so take my number and call me. No matter, I'll write it as a pen. Let me get a pen. Do you have a pen?
I'm not sure if not.
Fine, no, let me write it on.
Alright, write my hand in there. Or just tell me. No, just write my hand there. Alright, so one time phone turn on, I'm just put it in there. Alright, call you.
Nice you, bye.
Alright,
nice meeting you again.
Same to you.
You eat already?
Yeah, man.
I need a plan, say, need a buy first. I'm gonna buy all a box food or something for you.
Yeah, right, man, daddy.
Oh.
Yeah, come here.
Where I go?
I'm gonna close them here and pick up, daddy.
Oh, good man. I'll go walk with you.
Daddy gone on I room. So I'm lucky door.
do? Look at me.
Yo, Billy, you can't bother for them. Hide. Come over here now, Billy.
You can't do nothing about it.
Your father, what your father? Your father, yes, man, you would. You're going to say you're afraid of him. You're afraid of him.
I'm not afraid of him, but he's overprotected. You have to understand.
Overprotective?
Calm down,
Man,
man.
I'm not to like the Rasta man. I'm not to like the looks of him. Come on,
I'm
man.
my father. Remember, see, him birth me, no? Not really him, but I him sperm.
Bobby, your father can't sex you. And me. Philip name, him your father, if you understand.
No,
If you
just...
know that, if you stay like father.
What?
Think you can't go around me? Eh?
Daddy.
Think you can't go around me? Are you? You are a waste man. Come in my place and come chat up your mouth like you feel like. Say whenever was somebody else picnic. Bust out here in you. I come chat up your mouth like you know me. You know what it takes to be me. You know me? You know me a Fitchy from Pampas days. Matter of fact, come out of me house, boy. If everyone say pass back here so you would. If I would just pass back you would. And if I just pass back you would.
Daddy, you not do.
Let me tell you.
Watch it here, Rasta boy.
Yo, you see you? I don't tell you something now I breathe already, but you actually breathe already. But make sure tell you this. If I know how much money me spend by you from Pampas days, you let me down. Look at your face. You look innocent and you're innocent. I shall just box you and blind in your eye. You come make up your face like you feel like a joke me and me. You say if you never step one more foot in here, I say you're going to know how dangerous me is. Yeah? You not even want to hear nothing.
You can't be a go and say daddy.
Juta! I want one.
Yeah, man. I'm with them go around me go one hour off, you know. Until I say I'm no one man in that place. When me 1 hour off a day, I see like one boy run out, you know. But you know where I get old and we are no good. You see me? So anyway, me make sure I in that closet this time. Come catch a boy. Two of them come in there. Yeah, the boy I style me about me I watch man and me I watch me daughter and very real and I him feel me go like say more have sex with her and him something there. So yo, I can't even know. Me say if I next man next picnic man you.
Shall I bring man come in here like
If I never somebody picnic, I can't even know man. I can't even know you know. Yeah, more you go around like a one hour you know. Come in and want to go around like a fist her in her face you know. You see me? Cause she a fool she want fool me you know. I talk about she go for clothes you know. I'm just say yeah man go on for clothes man. I hide in that closet. Yo, you see. Yo, me I beg you, please go around like a one hour you know. Cause now go nice the next time we go to her you know. Better me go me there you know. Better me go me there.
Don't talk to him. Don't go to talk to him. Oh Jesus Christ, man. Yeah. Don't me drive me nuts. Drive me cook on my old age. No sir. You gotta bring man come in the house. What should I?
B, sorry for what happened just a while ago. I saw my father staying, just overprotected, you know. But
Natalia.
wait, the mother come, so call her back.
Natalia.
Yes, mommy?
What one? Because your father come out there complain to me, say you bring man come in. What are you doing? Where do yourself? Huh? Talk to me.
I don't man, I want my friend then.
Yeah, but Natalia, if you could bring your friend come, you have to ask me or your father. You can't just bring your friend and come in and then a boy again. It's not like saying one girl, one young lady, it's a boy. You can't do that. I know that we are sending to school for. You're not ready for man, you know. You're not even 18 years old. You're just 17 and a half. You can't do that. You have to come and talk to me because I'm a person you can't talk to about anything. You know, I'm the type of mother that you can't talk to about anything. I don't try to go home and tell me football about a friend. I know that is a boy you bring coming here. I don't tell me the same to the boy when he sneak through the door.
Mommy, I'm sorry if you like you. I'm a boyfriend. But we never know how to tell us I have a boyfriend, mommy.
But Latoya, you can't talk to me. If you even can't talk to your father because I'm ignorant, you can't come and talk to me about anything. You can't do things like that, man. I don't want you to go get pregnant.
No, mommy, I'm not.
You're too young. You're not ready for boyfriend yet. More if you take in your lesson and do your schoolwork. Because you say you want to be a doctor, so you have to go to college. You can't do that, man. And then you come out the point of time. I sleep. I hear the noise and I sit down and sit there and hold a little rest, you know. And I hear the noise and then they come out there and talk to me about him, say man run through the door. You can't do that, man. I'm matter of fact, put on the damn phone, put on the phone and go on your bed. And let me just come back home and hear with the phone. I'm going to take you away from you.
I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. We're not do that again, I swear.
Please don't. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Come and talk to me about anything. Anything at all you can talk to me about.
So, mommy, we can, like, how we find out how we can keep the boyfriend?
No. My father have to talk about that. Because you don't say I'll get mad and I'm not like that.
Mommy, just...
When do we more easy, you know your father still. You know your father still. You know him still.
Mommy, I did not have no sex, mommy. It was a talk.
But Lataya, after a while, we think boys are going. You think about this look?
Mommy, you say I'm going to be
No. You have to talk to your father about that. One of your bill. One of your bill. One of your bill. One of your bill. Good night.
Yeah.
And then I come back on and say you see it on the phone with anybody can grab the phone and put the phone.
Mommy, I can't watch the light for me. I lock the door, please.
Let me close the door. One of your bill. Next time, don't do that. Let me sit there again. Don't do it. Alright?
Yes,
Alright, good night.
yes. So, yeah, that's lips. Alright? Are you coming to see you? May I come? Oh yeah, do over here. Because you have to come over here unless you call me.
If you want to see me,
My parents stay in the home, you know.
no, listen.
Be good. Quiet. Next time I call me, I know say I come.
Alright then, B. So, where your parents want to run this up?
They left and I play them, you know. You know, see my father love country.
Oh, I threw back bush, back run a bush or some mohawk.
Yeah,
And I
I
said,
know.
me can't, yeah. I said, me can't walk on the front. And I
No,
said,
don't walk on the front. They always want to see me
What
and
you
come.
gonna say, find out about it?
Say now, find out. Yes, no skill than them.
you
Remember,
don't
say,
like how your father look here.
Girl, you know you're not knock your door.
Daddy,
Who you now do? How voice that me hearing now?
no vice in your daddy. Which I'm phone me there on TikTok me I watch.
TikTok can't watch. Yo, me know where you run from in that place.
Daddy,
Yo.
me I get big and I come out and
When mean you get big you know, where you tell me say you get big for me?
No, daddy. But like post me the naked. Look at daddy. What is it?
Where I show? Where I show say?
Yeah. Oh, that.
Yo,
Eh?
now play with me now. Now play with me. Cause me know why you do it before time. You see if you make the one more mistake and make that boy they come over here. You know how me do people already, you know.
Alright, daddy, me now to come over
We
here.
broke on here and satisfied. You don't believe in me?
Daddy, me sorry. For your business.
Dog, me I tell you, say, yo, right now, I'm free as soul from the party there last night. Daddy, right now, me that spin. Brother, me I tell you, so when I see Ashley go on your head and start spin, me have to say, no, Sam, oh my God. I feel woman turn up, you know, me watch him, you know, me see my go and like say, yo, you want to give that the nigga there one wine, boy Jason. I tell you, party the tough, man. Yeah, wanna keep a God for tomorrow, man. Raja. Yeah. I'm sure me I got that the one, you know, you can every party me really go, you know, me really got a party like that, you know.
Hi, good evening.
Give me a second. Evening.
I know where Miss Joy live and Jutta.
Man, down there, some man, which place see and finish house, man, top, but we no go down there, got me one green and white house, a black gate. And I have one look brown dot over there.
Oh. Alright then, thanks.
Alright.
Big up yourself.
I'm here to know dog this. I touch what? I'm not going to touch party tomorrow. But me I got other one, the other day.
Well, I know. Yeah, you take a big goal there, I take that goal there. The two can. I take that goal there? Ah, my goal, ready.
Daddy, take time here.
Goal.
No, you're going there.
Goal. Wonder. Ready.
Give me a ball.
Goal. Yeah, shoot me.
Goal. That going there.
No. Any of them chip got you, I win. Yeah? One big picture of me. No, I know. Alright, 1, 2, 1. 2, 1. My ball. Ready?
Yeah, give me, I want me out here.
3 and it done, you know. Alright, ready. That goal?
No, you're not going there. That like you going there. Watch it, man, watch it.
Yeah, I can go away. Goal. Shout.
Yo, Daddy, give my hat before. That's her. I give my key.
She's shooting on back.
You're not going there.
Ready. Alright.
Goal.
Alright, 2-2. Alright, my ball. One more.
Come here.
Ready.
Daddy, what? I put. Come on. Mommy. Because Daddy had teeth.
You can't kill him.
Push me and score a goal.
I say still you have to watch him. You tricky.
I think.
The man is tricky, doesn't he? You watch him.
Mommy, you know, Daddy had teeth, so
Yeah, one
push
two.
me and
You have to
score a
watch him.
goal.
No, you're playing a 4-2.
Yeah, do this, man. You don't play fair. You don't play fair. You have to have your eyes on
A
him.
2-3, that you know, that's fair, man.
Yeah,
I want
yeah.
no now, boy.
Watch. A big general man.
I want no now, boy, man.
You watch him.
Yeah, walk me up to a long time. I'm going to play some
Is it somebody that can get up?
Wait, yeah.
Yeah, man, we did see like a one girl for you. But you not see her again.
No, I'm not see her either. You can't play so rough with the one and only. You figure that only people will call you rough for you play with her. And then you thief the game too. You not play fair. So you're watching, you not play fair. You can't play so rough with the one and only. Huh? And you thief the game. So you're watching, you not play fair.
2-3, that, man, that's fair.
2-3. She win 2 games and you win 3 games?
Yeah.
No. The thief, one of them.
So, mommy, how can I get more pitney though? Sometimes I feel boring, you know.
It's not a matter we didn't want more children. It's just that in those times when we had the things are rough, you know, things are hard with us. So we never decide if you're having more until things get better. But now The big one need them up, you know.
It's too late now.
Too late now. I mean, that's how it go. Yes. We'll cook for dinner later.
Anything hard. My heart, you know, you put your hand on my neck, so.
Sorry, put the system under your neck, not under the on your chest. Why? Something about me now.
What?
I see me all I made from the other day. Look how we achieve now in life. We work so hard and achieve so much in life, and when I was picking with you know, we'll give it that child. Now we have 3 rooms, 1 empty. Lataya have 1, me you in a 1. So we ever do the other one, might as well rent it out because it empty. Might as well rent it out because it empty and nobody now use it. What do you think?
But me still not happy that the fact that you give a one a black like me, you give a pick me, but black and look like me, I keep the one a brown like you. I don't understand that. You see me? We should have them now. Look how much things we are inherit now. Them could have inherited where we have now. I'm not telling you, I love Elizabeth, you know. Right now we have to go look back for her, go back, go find her, and give her back where all ideas them which missing. And sort her out and them something there. Yeah, no, what you say now. Of course, straight now that part there.
Well, you see, in them time, you know, things are rough, you understand? And we don't have to give her one because things are really tough in them time there. We couldn't manage it to them. You know, it was too much. So that's why I come up with that idea and say I could give one for adoption. You understand? You understand what I say? It's rough still, but we achieved so much now. So, you don't remember the since room, we only nobody now use the room. I got put up one sign outside room for rent. Because it don't make sense the extra room that nobody now use it. What do you think about that?
Yeah, let's ask you one meeting. Just do what you have to do.
Alright, so I'm going to make up the clock and put it out. Let me hold on. That makes sense. Extra money coming in.
Still not feel good. Why are the black on? Anyway.
You shouldn't feel a way there, you know. Because she dark skin like you and the other one light skin like you. You shouldn't feel it because it could be the other one they give it
Let's
to.
see how it, man.
Alright. No. Just have to do what I have to do. But I could drop down there, you know. Now get your good and done. More peaceful way for put on this. Alright. That's good enough. Let me see anybody a person can see good. Yeah.
Boring right here. Oh my god. I must prank this. I must do this.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. This is Mama Joy.
Yeah, this is her.
Okay, well, I have seen the post that you have made at the front of your yard that you're renting a room.
Mm-hmm.
So I would like to know the price.
Okay, it's 30,000 a month.
Oh, 30. So you're doing first and last, right?
Right, so that's 60 altogether.
All right. So
You can afford that? Can you afford that?
I think so. Yes, I can afford that.
Okay, so you could come over tomorrow if you're not busy around 5 and come and look at it.
Okay, no problem.
All right? Yeah, so as I say, it's 1 month rent and 1 month security. So that's 60,000 altogether.
All right.
So that's you sure that's it enough for you?
Yes, I can handle that.
All right, so you know that you have your own bathroom and everything. The bathroom is in the bedroom,
Okay.
but you have to share kitchen. It's just one kitchen.
Kitchen. All right, I'll work with that.
Okay, so that's not a problem. You sure?
I'm sure. So, all right, tomorrow I will. All right, what time tomorrow you guys are available?
Around 5:30.
Oh, 5:30. All right. Good timing. So, tomorrow I will come and look at the place, and I think I'm going to come ASAP because I really need the place like right now.
Oh, okay. All right, so that's not a problem. 5:30 is good.
All right, no problem.
All right, see you later.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, all right, so bye.
All right, bye.
All them Rasta.
Yeah. The sign I will put up, man. Respect, man. Is it?
Boxer, on our rent room over here.
Yeah, man.
You know, say come like a God set me up on the lane door.
See ya. I think just drop off right.
God know general. Yeah, the yellow.
There, all them, man.
You know, say I want place me look for rent though. You see me, but I want me say me I walk through a place, you see me?
Serious?
Yeah, man, I said time see sign Japan, you know? Take up your other respectful youth, so.
But a one room we have still in a bombs. We have to share the kitchen. We have your own bathroom in a room this right away.
Yeah, man, I don't have no problem with it, man. So I'm gonna see it now, man.
No, man, you have to talk to me about the price first, man. You can't just see it. See, you know how much the price?
Room right
How much the price?
Much I price?
30 grand a month.
30 grand.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have to pay first and last, no?
Exactly.
Alright, let me see what you look like now. I want a room right now, you know.
Come catch you for up, no. Take off your slippers.
No, man, I know, man. I'm not going to the house with this spot.
I want to know that I'm not coming out in the man.
Wow. Alright, this is our room. Much in it, still about 2 bed in there. Ceiling fan.
Yeah, man, it look good, man.
Just how the things, isn't it?
What's somebody living here already?
No, man, I need to set up in a summer. This our bathroom, this is it.
Oh.
Bathroom.
So, I see things like somebody sleeping there.
This man, man. Nobody not sleeping here, man. It's a normal place. It's my phone that I charge. A normal procedure.
Alright, so here what go on then. I like you look at everything.
They say what going
Yeah,
on.
man, I see kitchen, man. Bathroom, I like the bathroom.
See.
So here me I do now. I go a bank and go dry, because I have a card for me, so I dry 60,000 and check it out right now.
I have to come now.
Right now, I
come. Give first preference, you know.
No, man. Right now, I
I want
follow.
girls to come feet, you know. Do it fast, man.
Right now, I follow.
People living here. Hold of you know, in them places, man.
We know what the money, you know him?
I never know.
Okay, we just leave you all up with it.
No, man, come for rent house and have money. I'm going to bank now, go dry money.
Yeah, but you forgot me tell us one you live the come up on room and she want it. Remember say me tell you that you know, she want
She
it.
want it. The money, the man will come with the money, I make it. Say it gone already. Money come first. Money we are deal with.
Yeah, that's true, but me promise her faithfully. So what am I going to know? What am I going to tell her? Say,
But man gone feel money faithfully. She no come yet.
alright, so no more. Okay. Alright. Money talk.
You say I rent the place, I rent the place.
Okay, alright.
Hello. Yeah, Mama Jai, right?
Yes, yes.
Alright. Hi, good day.
Yeah.
You are Brittany?
Yes, I'm Brittany.
Oh, okay, you're the person I spoke to on the phone about the room, right?
Yes, so where exactly the room is?
While you was coming to the block, you said young man just passed you in a blue shirt.
Yes, I think so.
Oh, Jesus. And the money gone fine, I can call up on the room and they say I'm going to withdraw the money right now.
But they already told me saying me gonna need the room. Like me need it. Me desperately need the room.
Yeah, I understand, but him have the money ready. It's on me.
Me have the money ready too. And me ask first.
Yeah, I understand. So, you know what? Talk to me husband about it. You can tell him more. What's going on? Talk to him.
So what is your name?
Well, I mean, I'm just telling you about the house gone, my friend. Gone. I tell you the truth.
Just like that?
It gone, man. You come, man, just give me. Never expect say I come so quick. I just say
But me
my
already
friend.
tell me say I come 5:30 to 5 o'clock to 5:30 on the phone.
Yeah, you will get something else, man.
But I hear somebody do want because I really like the place.
You will get something else, man. I'm going to try my best to help you get something else. Trust me.
Well, I guess me get knocked then, so. What good one?
Sorry about that here.
It's okay.
Alright.
Oh, jeez.
I know you say you call me, babe. Sorry about that. You know, so I get the place where money me draw right now, so I call back here. Yeah.
Mr. Me tell about it. Let me tell about it. Mr. Duck in the house down there. And the people they have one spare key. You know hear what me apartment when I rent. The green apartment with the black gate. With the unfinished top, me say, so you hold me down other night. You hold me down last night. And the people them keep on going in my house, got in my room, go take out the money, every time I cook my food, then go in the pot, go thief. Me don't know what, me don't know what, me don't know if right now kill me or kill them down there. Me don't know what else to do. Me can't sit down no longer, more want my rent money. They not treat me right, the family they don't good.
Babe. Yeah, hear me I say. Right now, me nobody want the place there. No, yeah, money me do job, but right now me have to try to get to another place. No, just come and hear me say no man. One girl just walk past me a while ago. He come like a dung line leave. He must say Duppy hold him down. Duppy full down, Duppy hold him down couple night well. And the people them where we rent down, where we rent her down there, like them a go in a room and a thief in money and something. And then cook him a go in a pot. So I don't think more down there so. Yeah, me come on here, so come meet me. Me I go somewhere, go try to get something. Alright. Rasta. Oh. A big lady this. Here what I go on now. More you tell your husband say, me no bother want to place here because me get something cheap. Cheaper than that. Yeah man, sorry about that man. Alright, what nice doing business with this still. Alright, yeah man.
Hello? Yes. The young man about want the place. No, I'm reaching out the lane mouth. I'm not come out of the lane as yet fully. Alright then, because I really want the place because one time I not tell me say I can't get it. I feel very disappointed because me knowing say I have the money and me did come first before the young man and never give me the place. So alright, no problem then, me just turn back and come. Alright. Plan work.
Honey, the young lady come for the place, you know. She'll come up for the place.
She'll come back.
She's not away right now.
Alright.
Alright? So she's going forward. Okay.
That walking.
Yes, let's go walk. Good exercise. So, you want to see the place now, right?
Yes,
Can show it to you. Please take off your shoes, okay?
Oh, sorry.
You can come, but you have to take off your shoes.
Okay.
So, this is the place. This is the bedroom, as you can see. And as I told you, you have your own bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
It's a nice size bathroom.
Yeah, it's big enough for me.
And you have your closet to hang your towels and put away your linens and stuff like that, you know?
Alright, yeah, but
Alright.
alright, what am I saying now? You have a bank account?
Yes, I do.
I don't really have the cash for me right now. When I check it, I say the cash as much. So I just send the money in your bank account.
Okay, so I can give you my account number.
Yeah.
I just send it straight to.
Yeah.
Alright, so if you want it now?
So yes, I would like to have it now, but when time I send the money, I move in.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, no problem.
It's not a
Cool with
problem.
that?
Yeah, I'm cool with that.
Alright.
It's not a problem.
Okay. I'll just.
Alright, so what you want me to do? You want me to text you the number, or you want to take it now?
Text me. Do you have my number?
I'll text it. Alright, so thank you for coming by.
Alright, have a nice night.
You too. Take care now.
Alright, have a nice night.
Yeah, likewise. Alright, take care.
So, Giselle? Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, that's what
And I'll text you the account number, okay?
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
Do it as soon as possible.
Yes.
I don't know.
Alright, you won't know. She didn't have enough cash when she checked the account. So what she's gonna do, I'm gonna text her our account number in a minute or two. And then she'll go deposit the money in the account. You agree with that?
Yeah, man, she sound like she's serious.
She want the place, so that's it. So as soon as we get the money, then she can move in. You shut the dinner. Alright? Okay, doke.
I remember saying me really like a friend and stuff, and I love community. That now I have nothing to do with it. I come straight up in her yard. She can't be nothing. She can't be her thing. That's my sister. Boy, she'll come out like this and she'll go to her yard.
Good morning. Morning. Good morning. Good. Yeah, I'm good. How you got running? Yeah, you know already. Yeah. Yeah, something to tell us still.
We have to tell me right now.
Well, do you want to say it in private, but since as I hear somebody come, I just say it.
There's somebody in the same sister.
Your sister? Sorry, well, the sister. May I say no? See, the running father? My care one bag of news boy about you and him there in a business and...
Me and Jutta in a business?
Tapping there, someone may say something to your girl I load up a mouth.
What more that they dread they feel?
I shot me go this morning and hear.
I can't supposed to drop out and locks.
If you tell the truth, I see one crawl out for you, but we don't chat about that. I chat about your behalf. I chat about you and him doing things. I and him got bed before.
Brownie! Yo! Brownie boy!
You can't come.
Of course!
What on? Yes. Oh, girl, you know it's usual.
I am so stressed.
Stress? Or ass?
Oh, no man not stressed right now.
You don't know how we think comes already. No man can use it.
For real.
How we are texting?
You know, see one boy we meet. Me and him just do a random text still. I don't want too serious your text, but I just tell him say, me I do me here. So him
You do here? Or money I try to pimp off?
no, he asked me, tell him say, first he asked me what me I do. So I say me I
Me don't
do
see like you
here.
tell familiar
See
stuff.
message there. Saying say if I hear just a me there, some what me want to tell him I know say, I want to go here just so I see if he can give me a piece of money if me go here just
Me don't just give me a try to scam me, you know.
I must give me a chance, give me girl. Let's see, see I know.
So, Brownie want to Baba. How you text your friend man want to Baba?
No, girl, I know say Baba my babes, I'm my husband that this I just want a random guy as me say nothing serious. Right? How me you think say me I go put on Bob for your next man? You're mad.
They know you text next month.
So you know see you get new hairstyle.
Yeah, because I'm a boyfriend pay for the it. I see a man there with. You there with Bob and I text a friend man. Who know who else you text?
So I'm to the different man where you that chat to.
But that chat to know different man. I see a man.
Like I tell remember say boy you did tell me about. Stop going to man. Just know say you can't put your egg in a one basket. You hear me I tell you say? But Bob and my babes start from day one.
So Brownie, where father then? Me not see him for me come out. When they?
Me no know. He so must so come back, he must go on the road.
What time I come back?
Me don't really know. You know, say my father he unpredictable. He show up now and then. I don't really know him.
He might come back this evening though.
Yeah, have to. So when you ask me so much question about my father, girl, man, I look him, you know.
Brother, who want a father for do? You're my best friend. Plus, me don't like dread. You know that.
You know, say a joke me I make. You can't make. Look how long me run some serious joke.
I true that man.
Oh, God.
Where get my phone from? Give me phone. My life and my sister out there rather wait for me.
You see? Where one?
Later.
Go on, just
Watch it. Yeah, tell man to look boy here. Watch ya. What is? What that?
I will get Bob this by me.
What look there? Later.
Alright. Coach, come give me a hug for your boy, so. Eh? Come lick you down, chow. Alright.
Later.
Mm-hmm.
Me text you.
Yeah.
You ready? Come on. Later, Brittany. Later, Brittany. Alright, later.
Happy birthday. I nearly married and happy boy have the success, you know.
No, man.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I'll look for your friend.
No, I'm not even
No,
looking
there
for
I
that.
know.
You more want to see, you know?
No, there I know.
Are you more want to see? You dirty man, you walk a call up me name. You dirty dread. Look, dirty dread. Jota!
You.
Jota!
Yeah.
I'm in here, what?
Where you walk on?
Eh? Come in here, say about how you walk and tell me say about how me in a business.
Who does it? Every time when you say I put me, I joke. I joke can make all up.
Eh? Me go and shop and hear people that say it to me. Eh? If I go up on the street, me hear, then say you walk a chat so.
I'm yourself, man, I say food me, I put right now. Oh, well. What you just say?
You will not hear what me say.
will teach you.
Collard on the side.
Oh, so that's the veggie. The collard. Who teach you to cook so good?
Well, my mother.
That's
She's a good cook.
She teach you well. I'm stay from all around the back and smell the food. Look good too.
Thank you.
Sister, you almost finished cook?
Hmm?
You almost finished cook?
Soon, because I put my sit on the pot. We just set on the pan. Because it's easy to cook.
So can I have a plate?
Sure. Okay. You don't even have to ask. I'm going to boil a calm and a cut. Slice them up first.
Yeah. Okay. Want me to help you or you good?
No, I'm okay.
You alright?
See?
Okay.
You must say this is my job and this one.
Alright. Later.
Alright. My time food is ready. I will call you.
Yeah, you call me, okay?
Alright.
Alright.
It's not boiling. I'm just trying to water. It's fine boiling. Alright. So that is it.
Yeah, come on.
The food is ready here.
Oh, the food ready? Yeah, mom.
I'm gonna shoot this up here.
Tell it that girl. I love nothing.
One up there?
Mm-hmm.
You need a lot of fries?
Mm-hmm. And the food smell good and look good and taste good and everything. You know. Yeah, mom, that's good. That's good, right, son?
This good?
Yeah, that's good.
Want me to eat herbs?
Try to find out for. You want juice?
Huh?
You want juice?
I have juice.
Mm-hmm.
They even have some cola champagne juice in the fridge, yes.
Alright, boil it down. That's good.
One more gravy?
That's good.
Alright, let me give you this
Bless your
curry.
heart. Come on, bless up.
Yeah.
Bless this food.
Yeah.
Sanctify it. Bless the hand that cook it.
I think that's something in there.
In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Did you want to cut this here? Green stuff. Put this in soap and then clean up the kitchen and stuff.
You will never go spend the night. Sorry. You will never go bounce it tonight. Alright, I'm going to back up to lunch. Alright, eat. So, what you doing? I can do this. Alright? Yeah. Alright.
Come in.
A long time I don't see you now. Oh, you just scared. Since I turn big woman and now I can't see you. How are you going?
Be the over one of my friend named Yard because she applied for one job to me, so I have to over there with her. Make sure so I can get it.
The light me seen at the place, I'm say, look like a there in your room. Because from a day it's so dark every day I check and I see you. But as long as you're alright, remember say if you want nothing, call me. Right? What I'm gonna do, I open a new account. So in the morning, I go get the account there. So come on start interest and put certain amount of money in it. So if you don't really want to work for nobody, you don't have to work, nobody can style and no work. Right? You just make them know so you have your money. Right, so they are going to mash up some work. You not talk to female lady, you don't see her not talk. Because she want to talk to you one at a time.
No, she never come to me.
She come check you?
No.
So she want to check you because she want you to for all her reasons still.
And time she ready.
Yeah man. So she know the address and she know where you there. One of these she go check you.
Alright then.
Alright, but you're good though?
Yeah, I'm good.
How when you go again?
Maybe tomorrow or tonight.
Alright, so anything, does you have a number? But remember, if me text the account number to your phone, if I'm not there. Alright? So, she talk to you enough time, right? Alright. Make sure you're safe, you know. One at a time, I feel say I go apply for one karate class, yo. I don't want nobody feels they can text you for you,
I
right?
don't need karate class.
Or you want a license for your arm, you know one of them?
That better.
I'm a daughter.
Good morning.
On the phone. So, you could have swear me go on my bed with you. I'm not frost, my frost are rotted. What's that? Daddy! Daddy?
Yeah.
You see my phone? I'm gonna swear by me now.
You see a phone girl up on the road now. Go search on the place here, thing, man.
Wait, give me a call. I'm gonna swear me left inside and when me I go sleep. So I don't know.
Come on, calculate the credit on the phone.
It's weird. We try it on WhatsApp, because I can't supposed to on. Just a ring out.
Come on, waste your time.
So I'm doing it, Daddy.
Your mother gone on the road already. Brittany!
Yeah?
I go on the road, you know.
Alright.
Where are you?
Eh?
Where are you, sir?
You mean by when me at there, so? In a room with it.
Brittany,
Yeah? Wait. On the burner, I'm just there for the phone or something. Yeah, sir.
me can't find my phone. Is my phone?
So why you made me the first person to come to?
You're the first person I asked Daddy and I just we alone in my house.
You know, got a party last night.
Yeah.
Maybe you left your party.
No, me swear me have it beside my bed. Beside of me before me drop asleep.
Well, I can't ask me because I don't know. Me will go in the kitchen this morning, go drink some drinks and come back in here, so.
I may expect an important call, you know. So my phone could have them man.
I don't know.
I them see I'm not like, you know. Anyways,
No, we say
me
that.
brush my teeth and wash my face and come. Because I need to find out which part my phone is. I not tell me nothing to nobody, so I don't nobody has to tell me. So come there, you know. I'm going to look for my boyfriend because I can't live so I need a phone to go and use. You see me?
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to see if I can get one phone, if I can lend me one phone or buy me one phone. That's what I'm deal with.
Alright, go to him.
So girl, why you always go over your best friend yard and your father no plan to?
Yeah, I don't know some best friend from primary school plus our father no over there, father there work.
So she can come to your yard or she can meet you. Me no like the idea. Me no like
But
the
look much time she come over my yard.
But me
I with mommy not even want me to come out her yard. She still hide and come
me
over
no like the
there.
idea at all. You're not your father and a friend. Me like the idea.
That's true still.
But my spirit no take the money.
I don't like him either.
Plus,
Yes,
that
still
him
a
a walk
follow
and tell
them,
people say me
yeah.
are in a relationship. And you know some like them the Rasta man dey.
I don't like the idea, yeah.
Alright, me and you go make a deal. Today last time I go over there then.
Sure.
Alright. Alright, here one. Me and you go make a deal. Right? Today last time I go over there. Girl, hurry up. Rain and all. And plus you're sicky. So come here.
Alright. Alright. Browning! Browning, oi!
Hey, where running there? Come feel place, chaka.
Browning!
Oh God, how am I?
Browning!
Alright. Brittany, where did this so?
Well, that's all.
Delete.
I will not hear this so long. Naya. Naya.
She dead, man.
Naya.
She dead, man. Come see her dead.
Wicked man, what you do to my sister?
I come see her dead. I come see her dead. Come see her dead. I just come in her room. I come see.
You don't come close me. I can't.
Yeah, idiot. Where you take up that from? I tell you, I come see her dead.
Come on, go on now, so. My friend, my sister around this and then I know wicked man.
I come see her on the bed. Not even know that she dead.
So how you know say we got my girl and then let me go.
Not even know that she dead.
Me I call.
Man, put on her something, man. I want to. right and make up one bag of night, let me tell you.
Yo, just
Police!
what going in there, son? That we can make you my sister. You do what?
Hold on. If me not kill her sister, me not stand up right
so
so.
proud, you go look.
Eh? Me not stand up right so if me kill her sister.
Rasta, just stay right this in the move.
Come like hold on nonsense, dog. If me not kill her sister, me not stand up right so and wait till police come. Till gun off for me no man.
Rasta, me say no move.
Alright, so I'm going there. One time me touch her neck. And one time me touch her. You can run the ballistic test.
Come with
Come go where? You can't tell me say come go where. You tell me touch right as her neck and right as her hand.
I am killer. My sister always come to our best friend, and my best friend, me and her just come. Our best friend is there, and my girl never see her there. I'm see him over. I him kill my sister.
Come.
Officer, listen up.
You cannot talk. You need a
My
line.
sister always in an argument.
Come to point this one for me, man.
Go so. How are you?
Your wicked father kill my sister.
Yeah, how my father kill her sister?
We just go and they go see him over my sister. Your wicked father kill my sister.
We don't need to hear no more. Go so.
Daddy.
We are going to statement here. Come on. You want a statement?
Can't smoke steam because if you drop that one, they don't name all lose.
Oh, Daddy, we don't understand this. Daddy.
Later.
Okay. What happened?
Friend, I'm not even know me. In my room, me hear screaming and one bag of some just come on. Then now me I hear say, she a chat about your father kill her sister. Your body there around there. Come go look for your body. Come on.
No, Jesus Christ, this story. No. Oh God, they do struggle. Nah, you got me best friend dead. Nah, you come back to me sorry. I want to her.
If you're stronger, then stronger.
Nah,
My baby. She don't want to talk. I have something to tell you.
no. How we do?
No, I don't know nothing you do. It's just a something. It's just a something I hide from you from a long time. And I feel say it's time enough now for me to tell you the truth.
What happened?
Because now that your daddy charged you murder, we're not even feeling guilty yourself. No. We don't know the whole truth. I mean, if I come home, I mean, if them go sentencing, we just know, just me, you know. So, I need somebody to talk to. Because it's really on my conscience and it's a bother me.
You can't talk to me about anything.
Yeah,
Remember,
me-
see me only daughter, only
Yeah.
one you have. You know what?
Yeah, I know somebody can't talk to you about anything. And that's why I'm going to talk to you today, because it really bother me. You know, so you have a baby sister? Another sister?
Me have one other sister.
Mm-hmm.
Some can't keep that from me.
Because at the time when we have the boat on, things was really rough. We wasn't poor, we were poor.
But mommy still could have keep her. Look how long I hide that from me so long.
No,
mommy.
it's you see, it was just one little room, and sometimes your father now work, and sometimes I have to do little days work, wash people clothes, so food can be on the table. So we decide to do it. And it's something we don't really want to do, but we never. It's not like no, we have this big beautiful house and everything and things that we
Mommy,
want.
I understand. But what she there now? You know which part she there? If she dead or she alive?
Man, no idea. I don't have no idea, because I see the people who I give her to, they move. I'm going to do some investigation and they move. So, I don't know. I not even know what she look like. Because when I give her, she was baby. A little baby. So, it's rough, but I don't know.
Poor girl must have go through a lot. She don't know her mother. I don't know the reason why she get away. If I did me, mommy would have feel vexed. We have to go find her and look for her, mommy. God.
Yeah, we have to do that. Yeah, we have to do that because right now we're good fella pass her on the street and don't even know us our family.
Yes,
You understand?
because we have a big house now and we have room. So she can come stay with we and now you can tell her the reason why we can make she go away and we can give her away. And we think she'll accept it if she
okay.
have
Somebody a knock.
Hello?
Go say, oh, say someone like someone on the back door.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm Mr. Morgan.
Mommy!
Oh,
Rasta man.
From where?
He's saying you're Mr. Morgan.
Oh, yeah, tell him for coming, tell him for foul.
You can come.
Oh, tell him for coming.
You're blessed.
Blessing, blessing, blessing. So where's the Rasta?
Alright now. Yeah. You see that Juta, you know, your boyfriend get locked up for murder, right? So I offered us to know me find out your location because a long time I try search room to find her back because from sell me the daughter. She bigger now, you know what I mean? She always, me not tell her, you know. Me not tell her so much. But since of late, it look like she find out, so she moved. Some may suspicious, me find even your picture, she have it in one place, and she have Juta picture in one place, and like she write revenge on it. You know what I mean?
So that means she knows something.
Yes. So knowing the type of person she is, she's dangerous because she do some stuff to the neighbor, you know, till she ain't get locked up one at a time and take her back a yard. But true, you take responsibility. And take responsibility to for her. Still love her as a daughter, so even she do the world of badness, but you try to teach her. Say, not why you so angry. And she always will say why she not stay like, oh, me stay and my wife stay calm. She always hyperactive and have this bad energy to fight and them with it and loud mouth, right? And them thing there. So I don't know where I get it from, if you are there. So when we see the fight, we see the killing now, me I say backside. And the father and she get that something there from. Because she go to kill the neighbor. You know what I mean?
She's hurting.
Yes, so when me I say no.
Okay, we'll go find her.
I one of them things they do. But
We'll go find her. We'll go find her.
no, she not lost.
No, find her.
She's not lost.
Me a pain she in her.
No, she not lost.
But it's just that me don't know.
No, she is not lost.
But me don't know her location. Me don't know which part she there. Me don't know who she stay with. Because no, she not with you and your wife no more. Me don't know where she there.
No, she is with us. She is with us, but she have like boyfriend. Because she's old enough now. She have her boyfriend, you know what I mean? So she go to her boyfriend for weeks. Some of the time, for a month, she have her boyfriend. But me go in her room and just soon a picture up on him and she might revenge. So maybe, you know me I say, I check you and I say, because no, me find a location through your boyfriend, kill somebody, you go up on the news and you know me ask on the area, them say so. You know what I mean? So me just come check you say, she look, she by now she must find she say your boyfriend kill somebody, she go know. Because she know, me don't know who get her information, so she know, you know. So me don't know how she get picture, you know, or whatever, but that is it. So anyway, sorry for you about that though. And
me no even feel guilty because this thing look like a setup to me.
So sorry, you know no photo we can see her or something.
oh, she look like your sister.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Never see her yet.
I can show you a photo of how she look at her because when it was two of them, you know, and they give us the black one. But anyway, black like a tar. Like she blacker than me, but I'm the daughter still. See her here. There's some black over there. You just see her picture there.
Yeah, she look like your father.
Mommy.
Wait a minute. Scroll it up.
She don't look familiar to you.
Wait a little.
Wanna see her?
Wait, take off the glasses, mommy.
Wait the man. You know so I can't see without the glasses. I'm put on about the glasses now. Wait.
No, the girl you rent the room around there, so mommy.
Which girl?
The black girl in the front room.
Wait the man. Wait.
Look good.
Wait, I put on the glasses good.
Me know say for me I better than for you. Look good.
Too rotty that she, you know.
So she just come out place and leave her. And
That means she should find out something and know so we have the room they empty and that's why she can rent the room. And that you know?
so something she plan up.
Or something she plan.
My mother rent her the front room.
The front room
in the front room.
Yeah.
She there.
This
Yeah,
girl,
she
she
moved
said she
here.
named Brittany. Go by the name of Brittany.
Yeah, that's what I name her. I name her Brittany. So
She moving and everything already.
she moving, you know?
Yeah.
But she not.
But all the time she go look for a boyfriend. Can't you come check me for the daytime and say she
yes.
have a boyfriend and I go and do some things.
But she not seem harmful. She alright. She laugh with me and something.
Well,
She never threaten me.
No, one thing I say. Now that she fine, you know, and know say you are our mother and you give her away,
A problem.
a problem.
You
You know what I mean? So, but anyway, she the back of her yard, me see her this morning, some seven to come check on her, to make her know. Because me, when me the one, them I tell her, say, me the one, bring her, come sit down and talk to you. But she said she busy, because me tell her no. Now last half, because she figure it, from season her something there, I figure out it.
Yeah,
So-
she left about two days now, she left here.
Alright, so what me I say though, she is
This is a mix
dangerous if she there here. And now I'm telling you, say who she really is. But we don't know she a wait pan, she should have tell her, say,
We have to confront her and talk to her.
whatever you want to do, but you may say though, she's dangerous. So I know blood sister, your blood daughter, so you can talk to
So, give me a little more information. What she and the neighbor have that she almost killed the neighbor? What they have?
Oh, it was a little female neighbor, the fight of a man.
What kind of rot in this?
Yeah, because
She get a temper from her father, you know?
Yeah,
Yes, daddy have one
Yeah,
of
him
her
have a
temper.
lot of temper and that's where she get it from.
Alright, young ones, your phone are ring there. Alright, so anyway, pass my sorry about you.
Yeah man, thank you for the information man. Thank you very much.
Alright, I never know so why she's there.
Yeah, so. So give my love to your family and take good care.
Alright.
Yeah man, alright, take care.
Yeah, me like me do something.
Hello?
What's up,
Me have some bad news here, you know. Me know say you always want to know what kind of work me do. And you know some work in our office, but you don't know what kind of work we do. Well, I am an undercover detective. You hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you.
You hear me, Mr. Lukoya, right?
You know, you don't run jokes, man.
Me nah run no joke, be where I not run
You get the
joke.
costume, now what number one sex me line up for later? You get the costume.
You know, just listen to me, no, man. This another time to clear right now. Me have some bad news about your daughter, Brittany.
Let's go on now.
You know, say she find her parents them, right? She real parents them.
But you know, because of where I come from, just when her mother. Because I find out, say, over there, she, you know, I mean, when things are she got a boyfriend or gonna check her friend or whatever, she went through money with them.
Yeah, but one little girl dead over there in her house the other day where they strangle and kill. And
Yes, her father did.
no, the fingerprint gone and like we can't determine who do it until the fingerprint result come back to me. Yeah, then lock him up, but if the fingerprint come back, I don't know if it's Jutta fingerprint or if somebody else, them have to release him.
This is sound serious, man.
And next thing again, your daughter in a worry about him, because see me that you in diarrhea, look like one book, but some bad something right in it about him people them. And look why I see the laptop up in front of the bed. We have be expanding people them face in real family face like say killing out to want to kill them or something. You want to hurt them in some form of way.
It's a serious.
And look at girl they say, Brittany almost drowned in the river that day.
You know what that angry so my people get our bill and they clear up that already.
Yeah, they clear up that already, you know, but what about as Brittany go over this and be a problem, them I say in our house?
Ah, alright. Ah, maybe I come back home, I'll come over here. I'll go by the
Yeah, over here, me there now.
I'm up on the road, I'm soon come over there.
Some to wait for you and if you go.
I don't know anything you have to do about.
Alright, and if I see your daughter, just tell her to check in the station for some question, you hear? Alright. Hello? Yes, Detective John. The fingerprint result come back already? Where's it for Brittany? Alright. Alright, thanks. Make carry man, know yourself. Alright. Yes, Detective Paul. Alright, yes, Detective Paul. Brittany's not alive, suspect, and dangerous. If any of you guys see him, I'm sure you. Joy and Judah, what are they? So Joy and Judah now. Oh, before calling your father. Let me really have no food on the minute. Camera.
To be very careful because she don't say nothing to me and she come in as a nice person. Well, so far we don't see nothing about her, but we have to be careful because as a young man just left and said that, you know, she's dangerous. What she and the neighbor have and he come like she don't want to kill the neighbor. But over man. And your father attitude. Me tell him about the nasty temper the way you have, you know.
Daddy temper hot.
I'm temper. In temper hot like scotch bonnet pepper. I need for calm down. I hate make the penitence so.
But all along.
You know, Ceci, the first time I see her. You know, when I went to the room, there's some connection, but I just couldn't put the puzzle together. But there's something I feel. And I said I go rent her the room. Yeah, I feel something, but I just couldn't put it together what it is. You understand me?
Brittany Richard, don't move. You're arrested for murder for Shania Ferguson.
Me?
And we have a lot of other murder case on you.
Me?
And listen me.
I wrong somebody.
Listen me, no, anything you say can affect you in the court of law. You understand what I say?
Me?
So listen what I'm saying. Listen what I'm saying.
Sorry, I want my hand too hard.
Listen, if you can do a real agreement with us and give us the information that we want to hear, we can do something for you.
So what am I
So
do?
come with me.
Come with you?
Yes, you know you're under arrested for Shania Ferguson.
I'm in a killer.
You know you do. Come with me. So we are going. Come.
Yeah, I want me to.
Oh my God, who that? Mark? Shoot me now. Who? Matthew? Jesus have mercy. Oh, who is this? Who? Jota? We don't know who. Move your hand if you say who. Oh my God. You
Daddy, you come back! Daddy! We miss you so much, oh God.
Oh yeah, kitchen now.
I saw me on for cook for me and princess.
No, you know what,
Me baby, you know say they could hold it for long enough.
man?
And me know say you're innocent.
So man, you know we can't eat right now, right?
No, we're going to cook for
Come so with one.
You know? Dinner right now, Daddy.
So what really happened, sir? What really happened? Because I don't like them and tell Stina, so go on.
We get bail, man. We get bail and let out, man. Everything good, man. But you know what, man? Say you know, say them do what them a do, and them find the real suspect and don't say, oh, and then me do it, so them just have to let come in.
The same liar guy?
What everybody will do, them do.
With the investigation. But that's cool, and it's good for you to be home because boy, we miss your body.
We're free now, man.
I just me and she one day every night, and it just lonesome with you not here with us, you know what I mean? It's really, really lonesome. But then you want me, have a big surprise too.
What?
Shoot. You remember the man where the family where we give our big daughter to, the one we give for adoption. And come over here, you know. And come over here and I said that she's very dangerous because she and some next door neighbor have beef and it seemed like a man them a fight over and she keep on talk about revenge and this and that.
You're fine now.
Yeah, she have my picture. Have my picture and your picture. She knows we are our parents. But the sweetest part of it now is that after I said to him, so long we haven't seen her because we give her friend she was a baby. I don't know what she look like because she's a big woman now. I said to him, say, show me the picture. I bet you not tell me who she is.
Oh.
The girl who went in the front room too.
What's that? So she left?
And she there so long with me too.
So she's still there?
Me don't know. She her things there in there, but me not see her for when. And daddy every day when we wake up, when I say me I only child, I don't know so how our next daughter, I could just tell me make me feel better.
And your mother have to talk about that, you know.
But Princess, me don't explain that to you. So I don't know why you're gonna bring up back that far again. Not at the past, man. I'm gonna try to bring up the past and make me a father.
Anyway, look about something for me. Cause a prison me I come from. I go all our shop. Jail me I come from. After all our shop. Just get someone for me now, Mr. Crash. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
No problem. Yeah, man, it's good to have him home.
Yeah, I got this up on my phone.
Alright.
Hello, sir.
Morning.
Morning.
You can't sit down, man.
No, man, no, I'm sitting. You're right, stand up, man. Well, I'm coming this morning to give some information about your daughter, Brittany. Finally catch her and she dey behind bars. She just stay behind bars. See a long time, few things that she do.
Where?
And she dey try for me, you know.
Hold on, come again. Talk again.
I say, I'm coming with some information for your daughter when you Brittany. Yeah. She dey behind bars. Find out all her few things that she do. So she dey try for me. That me say. So, I carry the number from you. I'm making you know something safe and all. So if you want to get in contact with her, you can call her through the number here. Because she not come out back for now. She got to do some time in a prison.
Officer, it's a prank this hour.
Remember if a prank. You took a girl with the drone this other day where she did try to free her if I Brittany kill her.
Brittany?
Yeah. Kill her. Have a good life. You don't see each other.
So I just saw it go. Alright, me call her. So which one is station today?
Station where the day now.
Hold on.
Me.
Come.
I make father day for me to listen me a detective. Me not here for you. Me not say me not nothing.
I'm just busy, I deal with some things. See, my daughter get locked up there and thing. Regardless, you do something bad. You work for you work for to get to work for. And then way them try to grow her still. So. But I have a lot of things on the agenda. You know what I mean? And you never tell me what kind of work you do really. You know what I mean? So that means I've been having sex with a stranger. So I out there try search different stuff, you know, try find myself. You know what I mean? So I just that it. So what information? What go on with Brittany now?
I'm sorry, I never tell you, you know. But I try to tell you 100 times. Not even 100, 1 million times. But I couldn't tell her. Because my job is very important to me. And if I tell her now, probably my cover would have blown because I did the undercover as I tell her. So now I'm not undercover now, I can come clean. You understand? But and anyway, what I go on with Brittany now? Brittany I got to be behind bars for a long period of time. Because she do some really bad stuff. And I know you don't raise her that way, but as I say, she work what she work for and what she get. So, I don't know.
Oh, that it's a sad story, you know what I mean? But me I fly out. Yeah, me I plan to leave Jamaica still for a minute. You know what I mean? That me I organize up for now.
We say I go fly out. So what go happen to me and my baby? Which is your baby. When I fly out gone, what go happen?
Nothing now will happen really. I work me out with some work. Jamaica all long. You know what I mean? I've put in so much here in this place. I've built so much GN. I've worked on so much construction site and you know have much to show. You know what I mean? So I think it's time for me to go work somewhere by myself and get money. So financially, when the baby born, God will take care of. You know what I mean? So when you go good. You're not a good job, you work for police, you work for the government. Hopefully they raise your pay like how they raise for them. Well, I think that will happen still, but anyway, we should look with that. But me go ensure so me do my part. You know what I mean?
Hello?
Shots fired around Onward Road. I need backup.
Me have to go hear me call you.
Yeah, man. Take what you take and you go do what you do. Thanks for watching. You know what I mean? We're up on the journey. You know what I mean? Thanks for subscribing. If you never subscribed a while ago, do it now still. Tell a friend, tell a friend. As we go along, be at work on top of work. Big up to all of the people them out there. I'm getting a lot of calls. Most schools start right down and name them to give them a shout out. Because we get some name, I don't remember them, out of the head. So we'll start with that. So big up on yourself, give thanks, burn it down to the ground. Stay strong, we'll put in the work, burn it up.